Students, this is question number 12. We are given f is a common factor of 14 and 28. M is a common multiple of 10 and 25. P is a prime number. Now we are expected to work out the largest possible value for f over m into p. Now f is a common factor of 14 and 28. Now we need to pick out that largest number that is a factor of these two. So obviously the largest number that can divide 14 and 28 will be 14. So f will be 14. Now m is a common multiple, that means the least common multiple of 10 and 25. Now between 10 and 25, the LCM, if you were to check the LCM would be 50. Now p is a prime number. So p is a prime number and the smallest prime number will be 2. Therefore, if I were to take f as 14, m as 50, p as 2, this is 14 over 100, which is going to be 0.14. That's the solution for this question.